Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, January 30th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold, I actually think this right here is actually a 1. I think this is a 2. I believe we're in a wave 3 right now, and if this really is a wave 3, this thing has a lot of upside potential, probably at least to the $2,400-$2,500 range, if not even higher than that. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think this is clearly a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, probably a 1. I believe this is an ABC 2. I think we're already in a wave 3, and I think whatever we're seeing on shorter time frames is nothing beyond a subdivision of this wave 3. Maybe like a 1 of 3, a 2 of 3, and a wave 3 of wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, to me, it looks like it's making a WXY pattern, which is why I still think it's going to go down again. I think it's three ways down for the W, three ways up for the X. It's kind of messy, but I think it's going to be like a three-way pattern down make a wave Y before we really do end up continuing the uptrend. Like I said, this is probably a 1, this is probably a 2, and it's probably going to keep going up for a wave 3. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, I definitely am looking at this move up as a possible wave C. I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last push down, which is clearly a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern. Now I'm looking at this as an A. This is three waves down for a B, and I do think it is going up for a wave C. We are at the 61% fib right now, and we did take out the higher wave A. So if this does turn into a bearish engulfing move to the downside, then I definitely would take that as a short. Now, we do have interest rate coming out for the US dollar tomorrow, so I kind of doubt that it's going to turn down in a big way today. I kind of feel like it's maybe even more likely that it could just keep on drifting up to the 78%, or possibly it's going to make a crescent and then do this, and then tomorrow go down like that. But either way, I definitely would still be looking for longs on shorter time frames, especially if you're a scalper. Because going down to the 1 hour time frame, yes, we are going down now, but we do not have a breaker structure. We do not have a lower high. Now, if it does go up and respect this fib level again and then go down and break structure, that would definitely turn me into a seller. But like I said, with that big news coming out tomorrow, I kind of doubt that it's going to make that big turn today. If anything, I feel like it's more likely that it will continue to make higher highs, higher lows, and just keep on trending up. So for me, I am definitely still primarily looking for longs. Unless price goes down and breaks structure to the downside, I am definitely a buyer at the end of pullbacks for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.